Curious about how we make natural yet vibrant soap bars? Let me guide you through the complete process.
Hi, I am Alina Goka. I'm the founder of Soapy Mania, where we make handcrafted soap and bath treats. We have been asked a lot about the colors in our soap and how in the world our soap looks so bright and shiny. So I've decided to make a video to answer all these questions at once. So here are the colorants that we are using at our factory. Micas, Ultramarine, Oxide, titanium dioxide for white, and activated charcoal for black.
Let's start from the serious stuff.
Activated charcoal is a form of carbon that is like a superhero, as it can absorb toxins, impurities, and other unwanted substances. It is widely used in medicine to treat poisonings and in skincare to absorb excess oils and impurities from the skin. Titanium dioxide is naturally occurred mineral that is commonly used as a whitening agent and pigment in a wide range of products, including cosmetics, sunscreens, and food products. It helps protect the skin from UV radiation. Ultramarine is a blue pigment made by grinding a mineral called lapis lazuli into a fine powder. It's popular in cosmetics and soap making and can be used to create shades of blue and purple. Oxide pigments are made by combining various metal oxides with other materials like clay and silica. They're often used to create earthy and muted color palettes in soap making.
Now let's get into fun part, micas.
Mica is a naturally occurred mineral that is mined from the earth. It's often crushed and sorted into different grades based on their color, size, and purity. Higher quality mica is separated from impurities and ground into a fine powder, then coated with natural pigments and dyes. And here's the catch. Watch out! If synthetic dyes are used for this coating process, the pigment technically stops being natural. At Soapy Mania, we take our natural pigments seriously. We use only reliable and reputable vendors to buy our micas from. We check every single ingredient on their official documents to see if there is only good ingredients are used. And then we go through the testing process to see how mica behaves in our soaps, if it's stable, if it looks good, if it blends with other colors well. Speaking of which, let's make a little experiment. Here are the two soap bases that are made from different soap types. This is melt and pour, this is cold process, and let's test the same amount of the same exact mica in both types. Here at Soapy Mania, we make both types of soap, melt and pour and cold process. Both are natural, detergent-free, and high quality, and it's just a matter of customer preference regarding which soap to use. Now let's say the same exact amount of the same exact mica into melt and pour soap. So as you can see, it's already different. It looks different just because the melt and pour soap has transparency in it because of the glycerin, and since the sunlight goes through the melt and pour soap better, the mica gives this shimmy reflection. So see, the same exact color and the same exact amount, different soap types. Sum it all up, micas is the way to go if you want brighter, more vibrant colors in your soap. And here at Soapy Mania, we love colors and we love being eco-friendly and skin safe.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and follow.